everyone, Jennifer here. I'm going to be showing you 1 week of outfits for my 10-item wardrobe. And in this video, I'm just going to be showing you the weekdays. And I'm going to jumble up the days. We're not necessarily starting on Monday because it's never a good idea to, reveal your weekly schedule to the internet. So this is not a Monday, but this is a day in the week. And today I'm wearing the burgundy maxi dress. For those of you who are new to my channel, I do a 10-item wardrobe, and I will link the video below where I show my 10-item wardrobe for winter 2018. So I'm wearing the burgundy maxi dress today. Today is a very relaxed day for us. We have already finished our homeschool for the day, and we're about to have lunch. We're going to be grilling some steaks. After that, the kids are going to work on their electives, like we're going to practice our piano. Other than that, I'm doing chores, household chores the whole day. So I'm doing laundry. You might even be able to hear it going off right now. And I'm really working through the laundry today. I've already done a few loads. And that's it. I'm going to organize my linen closet because it got dismantled by my kids. It's a long story. And that's about it, just the usual tidying up. So I'm going to be doing household chores today. We're doing homeschooling today. And this evening, after everybody goes to bed, I will be writing and probably editing a video. And that's my schedule for today. So you could probably see the camera in front of me. Isn't that funny? I'm standing in front of a mirror. I'm trying to find the best place in this new house to do these videos. That is my outfit for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Hi everyone. Sorry that my head's kind of out of the frame here, but today I am not wearing any makeup. It was a long night last night. My baby normally sleeps through the night perfectly, but last night he just woke up a lot, so I think he's not feeling well. So anyway, I did not wake up before my family, which I always do. So because of that, I'm just really behind. So I'm not wearing any makeup today. It's an au naturel day except for lip gloss. And today I'm wearing the maxi dress, the long blue maxi dress with this green cardigan. And you can see this in the 10-item wardrobe closet tour video. It didn't make it into the fashion show video. And I'm wearing ballet flats with it. And I know we're in winter and most people cannot wear a maxi dress and ballet flats, but I'm in California and I can, so that's why I do it. But you just have to tailor the 10-item wardrobe for where you live. Sorry, I'm just kind of trying to bend down here. So that's it. Today we have finished our homeschooling already. Now the girls have piano lessons. And when I get back, I have some work to do and some cleaning to do. And I have a beef stew in the slow cooker because it is a nice chilly day, even though it's not that cold, but it's nice and cloudy and perfect day for a stew. That's today, and I will see you tomorrow. Hi everyone, it's a new day and I am whispering because the baby is asleep and he's right above me, so I don't want to wake him up. But today is just a very average, typical day. We just finished school. I'm just now cleaning up after lunch. The baby's asleep, and today I'm just going to be cleaning and working and all that good stuff. I know we lead very exciting lives, right? Are you noticing that? We don't lead very exciting lives at all, but this is what we do. So today I'm just keeping this very real for you. So the baby's sick, and he doesn't have a terrible cold, but he just has this runny nose and congestion that just seems to kind of drag on. So I'm just covered in slobber and all sorts of things. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can't, but I'm just keeping it real for you. So very simple outfit today. It's just my olive green tunic, my leggings, and when I'm at home all day and I'm not going anywhere, I wear my slippers. And these are my slippers. They're from Land's End. I know a lot of people ask about that. I know it's not the chicest look, but I don't wear my shoes inside the house really. I always wear slippers. So I'm wearing my slippers. I'm nice and warm. And I did do my makeup this morning, but I don't really have any jewelry on other than my watch and my wedding ring. So this is it. It's just a very simple day. I will be popping on my apron as I cook and clean and all that stuff. So that is what it is for today. And I will see you tomorrow. Everyone, today I have this handsome man with me. You want to say hi? Can you say hi? Hi. Oh. Today the girls are actually at school. So we do homeschool, but we're a part of a private satellite program. So they do go to school 1 day a week, and I love the program that they're in. It's so awesome. So they have history, they have biography, they have science, PE, chapel, and it's just a really cool program. So that's where they are today. So I know I say that I clean every day, and I do a little bit of cleaning every day, but today is the day that I do a lot of the cleaning, and Saturday. So these 2 days, today and Saturday, I do the majority of the cleaning because the girls are out of the house and we don't actually do our homeschool on this day. So that's what we're doing today. I know my exciting life continues, but he helps me out, and we're gonna clean the house. And what else are we doing? Oh, they're getting haircuts today. So this gorgeous head of hair is going to get a little trim. And I actually need to get a haircut really badly, but I don't have a stylist here. I just moved and I haven't really found somebody yet, so that's another story. But today I am very casual. I'm just wearing a white t-shirt. This is old, it's from Talbot's. And the Loft, you know, the drapey cardigan, my jeans, and my driving shoes. So these are the London Sole driving shoes. Just wanted to show you the shoes, even though I'm not really going to wear them in the house, but I thought I'd show you what they look like. And that's it. That's what I am wearing today. And I will see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Hi, it's the next day, and I wanted to show you the after of the haircut. Doesn't he look good? So cute. Actually, I haven't even brushed it, but that's the nice thing about boys' hair is that it looks cute even when you don't brush it. Whereas with girls' hair, not so much. Today's been a really interesting day. The kids finished school, and Ben actually just decided to drive them up to the snow. So that's one of the cool things about homeschooling, is that you get to do stuff like that. So the girls are at the snow right now, and he and I are just gonna hang out. I actually need to run some errands today. I am out of dish soap, so I need to go to CVS. I need to go to the post office and mail a letter to England. And what else do we need to do? I need to get a few things at CVS.
Water.
Okay, I'll go get some water. He just went to go get some water. So, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm running errands. Tonight I'm actually having dinner with a girlfriend of mine, and I'm really looking forward to that. So today I'm just wearing the midnight blue floral dress, and I'm wearing it with the black cardigan, tights, and my boots. I thought I'd show you my shoes today. To be honest, I'll probably wear the same exact thing tonight when I go out to dinner. That's it. I believe that's 5 weekdays now that I've showed you. I hope that this video just gives you, you know, a slice of life as to how I get dressed every day, what I do. Obviously, I have days where, you know, we're not feeling well and I'm overloaded and got a lot of cleaning and stuff like that to do. And then there's days where I'm able to look a little bit more presentable. It's just real life. So I just wanted to show you 1 week in my 10-item wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll know to do more videos like this in the future. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time on the Daily Connoisseur. Bye!